Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P25G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell P25G is sounding like a jet engine, it's likely due to dust buildup in the fan and cooling system. Over time, dust accumulates, obstructing airflow and causing the fan to work harder than it should. If this issue isn't addressed, it can lead to overheating and potential hardware damage. To get started with the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, a soft brush to remove dust, and thermal paste for reapplying after cleaning. First, ensure your Dell P25G is powered off and unplugged. Carefully place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to apply too much force as this could damage the casing. Now, locate the cooling fan. It's usually situated near the heat sink. You may need to unplug a couple of cables connected to the fan. Be gentle when disconnecting these cables to avoid damaging the connectors. After disconnecting the cables, remove the screws holding the fan in place. Lift the fan out carefully. You might notice a layer of dust on the blades. Using your soft brush, gently clean the fan and surrounding areas. If the dust is stubborn, you can lightly dampen your brush with isopropyl alcohol. Ensure the fan is completely dry before proceeding. With the fan clean, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the heat sink if it appears dry. Reposition the fan in its compartment and secure it with screws. Reconnect the cables you previously unplugged, ensuring they are seated firmly. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to maintain a regular cleaning schedule for your device. Try to keep your workspace dust-free and consider using your Dell P25G on a hard surface to promote better airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.